All right, now at this point, we're going to go ahead and make our wings for our angels. I've actually came up with a nice little name since I have three of them that are each different colors. These are Charlie's Angels. We want to start off with putting the M&M on the tip of each one. There should be enough frosting right there to hold them. At this point, you're going to go ahead and put enough of the yellow M&Ms, a nice little pattern to go all the way into the armpit. And they should connect with the other M&Ms. You make a nice little design on all the wings, doesn't really matter. It's going to kind of vary from cookie to cookie because of the size. That's why we made a small, medium, and large, kind of like, baby bear, mama bear, papa bear. You kind of use that as a little explanation of your cookies to your friends or family that come over for the holiday season. You just want to make sure all the yellow matches in. And over here, the small one, we'll be using less than everything else because, of course, the surface area is a little bit smaller. But there you go. That's how you do your wings.